If you're experiencing login issues on COM, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your email and password for any typos. Make sure you are using the correct login information associated with your COM account. Step 3. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the COM app. Check your device's app store for any available updates and install them. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying Nibble steps, reach out to COM's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific help based on your account and device. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on COM quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.